Hello all, welcome to Mo Precious Concept. Today we will be designing brand logo, brand logo, and we will be using Canva app. Canva app. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like this video, and make a comment. Let's go right into the design. As you can see, this is our Canva app. Click on the app and it will take you right inside the app where you will be able to design whatever you want to design. But today we are designing a logo. Now we are inside the app. As you can see here, this is logo. You can design Instagram posts, poster, animated social. But today we want to design a brand logo. Now just click on logo. For the course of this training, we will be using effect stores. We'll be designing a logo for a store. A store. Yes, a store. Let's check. These are templates where you can choose one out of them and edit. One thing about Canva is that you choose your template. When you choose your template, then you edit to your satisfaction. Yes, effect store, effect store, effect. Okay, let's use this template. Let us use this template. Let's use this template. When you click the template, then it will take you to where you can edit. Where you can edit. As you can see, we have this template. We don't need this. Whatever you want to edit, when you click on whatever you want to edit, then this tab will show down here. See, this tab will show down here. You can see edit. You can click on this one, then edit. But this one that I tapped on, we don't need it. Then just click on delete. Delete, as you can see, delete. Then this one also, when you click on it, then you'll be able to edit it. You'll be able to edit it. Now we have to change that one to effect. After your typing, just click on the template again. When you click on the template, it will take you to where you can pick the next thing to edit. Now we want to put stores. We want to put stores. Click on edit, then put your stores. As you can see, the way it is displaying, it is not good. Then you just hold and drag, so it will open everything for you. It will open everything for you. Now we have effect stores already, but the design is not good like this. It's not perfect. Now what do you need to do? You can easily reduce the font, the size of this effect. Reduce the size of this effect. Just go here. You see, check this place. You will see text, font size. Font size. Click on the font size, then reduce. Yes, reduce. Now again, we reduce this one already to 60. We have to reduce this store also to 60. Reduce the store to 60. Reduce the store to 60 also. Yes, I think this is perfect. Now this our community chapel. We have to change this community chapel. Bold it a little bit. Let it come to this place. Then edit. This come to this place. Then edit. When you click on it, go to edit, then put the slogan of the company is where to get it all. Where to get it all. That is the slogan of the company. As you can you see the magic? Where to get it all. But let us adjust this. You can adjust to your own taste. To your own taste. Let us adjust it a little bit. Maybe we should reduce the size. Yes, let us reduce the size. Let us reduce the size. Then change. You can turn, you can twist. See, check this place. Guys, check this area. That is where you can roll. That is where you can roll this right up. You can roll it to whatever you want. Now, as you can see, I think we are good to go. We are good to go like this. Yes, we are good to go like this. Effect stores. Now, these stores, where is the S for the stores? Where is the S? That means we have to add the S. It should be effect stores. Effect stores. Yes, effect stores. Now we have effect stores. This is a simple logo. What next will you do now? It is for you to save. Save. As you can see, you can save from here. You can download there. You can save from here. Now the next thing to do is to click that and save as. Save as. It depends on the speed of your network. Depends on the speed of your network. As you can see, it is saving now. Yes. Now our design is ready. Yes, we have it already. We have it already. Now, what next will you do? The next thing to do is to download the logo that we just designed. Is to download the logo that we just designed. To download the logo that we just designed. Yes. To download, you can share the logo through this area. You can share it with any social media here. When you click the social media, then you'll be able to share to the social media. Or you can easily go here to go and download and make sure it is on your system. As you can see it here. This is it. Effect stores. Now just click on this download. You can see this sign. This is download sign. Yes, this is download sign. Click on the download sign and you will just download this to your mobile phone, where you'll be able to send to your clients. Yes, we have it already on our phone. You can easily go to your gallery to go and check. Now this is Canva to go and check. As you can see, now we have our logo. From this place now, you can send to your client or your customer the logo that you helped them to design. Now we have come to the end of this training. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the notification button, so whenever we are uploading a video like this, then you will be notified. Like this video also and comment. Thank you.